In the increasingly necessary process of ecological transition affecting our planet, the production of alternative, renewable and sustainable energy sources is taking on a fundamental role. It is precisely in this context that wind energy comes into play. Mapei is committed to promoting a sustainable future, and wind energy plays a crucial role in this journey. For this reason, it has developed a complete range of specific solutions for the installation of onshore wind turbines. In the wind tower's installation process, these components play a fundamental role. Application of galvanic cathodic protection for reinforcement rods. Use of special low-clinker concrete and recycled aggregates. Wind turbine anchoring using specifically designed high-performance grouts. Epoxy resins for crack injection. Waterproofing of wind tower foundations, and much more. Mapei provides specific and complete solutions for the installation of onshore wind turbines, building a sustainable future together.